Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. I'm on my way to go get Zoe's ashes. The emergency vet clinic that I had taken her to called me a couple days ago, and they let me know they're ready. I actually took her to an emergency vet that was quite a distance from where I am, so I'm going to go make that hike now, and I'm actually pretty glad, if it has to be this way, that I'm picking her up tonight, because today was actually a good day otherwise. If it hadn't been, then I would have been a little bit more not so happy today. But yeah, so I'm on my way to get her ashes, and you're welcome to come along with me if you like. It's funny because just about a month ago, almost, I was pulling into this exact same parking spot, and it was a Sunday night, and Zoe was having a hard time breathing, and she was sitting in the front seat with me, and I took her in, and I came out without her, and now I'm coming back to get her. I'm not sure how I'm going to react. I guess we shall see. Hi. I'm here to get my dog Zoe's remains.
Zoe, you said?
Yeah. It should be her ashes, and there's a paw print as well.
Give me one moment.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
I usually check, but I always like to check first. So, that'll be your paw. Oh, no, this will be... This is the brass chain.
Okay. I'll put
So there's
okay.
that
To go over the
to go over it. And then there's the urn itself.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna... You don't make them very sturdy, unfortunately, so make sure you...
Oh,
There's
there
the
it
top
is.
one,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Perfect.
Make sure you hold the bottom like
My dog is in this box. I got her a nice brass urn. What do you think? I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with her ashes yet. Oh, it's got some paper, blue paper shavings on it. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I guess I can take my time and decide. Not going anywhere. I like that. That looks nice. I'm glad I chose this one. I was kind of a tossed up. No, that's not the right word. I had a toss up. It was a toss up between this and a black one, but I think this will match my decor better. I'm gonna look at that paw print. Very good. Oh. Okay, why is this one making me more sad than the urn? Is this the color I chose? I think so. Her feet are so tiny. It's a nice box. Now, there you have it. Guys, thanks for joining me again. Sorry it's such a depressing topic, but I wanted to get her sooner than later, so I thought I would just take you along with me. But I will definitely have more videos coming soon, so please feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.